Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you add products on TikTok Shop Showcase? It's going to be a really simple one, so bear with me this one. Now, let's just go ahead to the TikTok profile itself, and please remember that whatever you do, please remember that your email has to be on par with whatever email you have in your shop. So, as you can see, we're promoting our showcase, just basically linking the account itself. So, in terms of it just I have to load here. Okay, on your account, just make sure that your TikTok is connected to the actual seller's account here, and then you'll be able to showcase whatever product it is that you have here on your sellers to the actual commerce, to the actual buyer account, if you will. So advertiser. So the actual account that you've connect here is the sort of like the advertiser, and you'll be on your way for the highlights or whatever it is you're trying to sell. You can just put it there. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.